Hello, class. So we are now in week 2 of the semester. You have successfully completed week 1 of Spanish 101. So great. So some of the assignments that you were asked to work on during this last week was to get acquainted with the syllabus, right? And some of the tools we use, right? We have our website companion, VSL Centra Panorama website. We ask you to please register. I see that some of you still are not quite there yet, so I please ask you in the next couple of days to create your account, since this is the site that where all your assignments are going to be in. We also ask you to complete a discussion forum where you were asked to introduce yourself to your peers and talk a little bit about yourself. I read them. Some of you have an amazing background, and I can't wait to work with you guys. You have different types of learning, approaching learning. So some of you are visual learners, others have hands-on experience learner. So I understand. So I've been there myself, and I'm constantly learning new things. So I'm a visual learner as well, but I also like to write and share what I learn with others. So yes, so for those students, for all of you, I have different tools where you can that you can use to navigate this site, and hopefully facilitate your journey. I have PowerPoints, I have handouts. Some of the assignments also have partner activities where you are asked to engage in a dialogue with a partner. I'm going to be asking you to change partners all the time, so you get acquainted with different sounds, right? Different pronunciations. It will help also to get better at this, right? So yes, let's see. Let's talk about week 2 assignments. So in week 2 assignments, well, hopefully most of you are already have created an account on BSL Central. So what you're gonna find a group of tutorials. If you take a look at your textbook, you will see that each lesson have 4 different estructuras. So 1.1, 1.2. So I will recommend to try covering this week the estructuras from 1.1, 1.2, and if you can, 1.3 as well. Because next week you already have your quiz, right? That will cover all these estructuras. So you know, take time to process all the information and practice. I have assigned a lot of activities for you to practice. If you read the syllabus, you will see you have 3 chances to get the assignment correct. You need to receive 80% or above. So if you get 80%, you don't need to do it again. But if you do fail by 60, 79, I will ask you to please try again. So you have 3 chances to get the activity right. And before completing the assignment, I will ask you to read and review the tutorials. Right? There's a very funny cartoon that will explain the lesson, right? The points, so you can replay him as many as many times you want to get it right, and these tutorials are in English. So yes, you have several tools, but if you feel like you're not challenging enough, that you want to practice more, there are a lot more activities on VHS Center that you can do, right? That is, I would not be grading those, but it's good for you to practice, so you go ahead. So those activities are optional. So you will see that only the activities that you were asked to complete are the ones that have a due date next to it. So if you go to Brightspace under the browser content, you will find each week will have links that will give you, it will take you directly to BHL Central. So if you have an account, you will have immediately access to that those activities. So it's just a matter of just clicking there and start working. Okay, all these activities will be due, I believe it will be September 13, right? But you do have a quiz on Friday, September 11. This quiz is located on BHL Central, and it will open that day. So it opens at 1 a.m. and it closes at 11:59 of September 11, that Friday. So you have only one day to complete that quiz, and then it will cover all the estructuras, right, from 1.1 to 1.4. So that's why I ask you to do not wait until the last minute. Start working on your assignments. Review the material. If you have any questions, please let me know. You have my address, my email, right? So send me an email. You can also, the BHL Central, for each activity, they have a link on the bottom of the activity that I believe it says ask your instructor. So if you click there, you can, I will have access, direct access to the question that you are, struggling with. So it will be easier for me to give you a feedback. But if it's not, you can always send me an email. I'm confused about this topic. We please go over. I will be more than glad to help you out. Remember, I have office hours tomorrow. Well, I'm taking this, doing this video the night before. But yes, tomorrow, Monday. So I have office hours Mondays and Wednesdays. The Zoom link is available on Brightspace. So all you gotta do is to click on the link and I'll be there. It's kind of like my doors are open. So from 9 to 11, so we can have tutorials one-on-one, or if you have any other questions or concerns, just please feel free to stop by, and I'll be more than glad to help you. Okay, so that's all, guys. This is just a short video. I'm gonna be posting this every week just to go over what is supposed to be happening the week, for the week ahead. So again, have fun. Thank you for being here. You already made your first step of learning a new language and culture. So I hope you guys enjoyed the journey. Okay, so bye. I'll see you next week or this week.